If your cat could talk, it would probably tell you to buy more IKEA furniture. Affordability is one reason, and the other would be all the IKEA hacks that you can do to make it more cat-friendly because they're just so customizable. Plus, some of these IKEA hacks look so good, you can't even tell they've been designed with cats in mind. Let's begin. 1. This cat climbing wall. Grab a couple of Mosslanda picture ledges, nag lid crates, and a little fabric, and voila! Your DIY project has been completed. 2. Doll beds turned into kitty beds. Have more than one cat at home? No problem. Make like siblings in a room and create bunk beds by stacking 2 or more IKEA Duke-Tig doll beds on top of each other. 3. This sleek cat lounge for your wall. It looks super fancy, but all you really need is a shelf, such as the lack, 2 decorative brackets, and an Adum shag carpet. 4. This bunk bed for your kittens. The Duke-Tig doll bed can also serve as a cute bed for your cat. If you have more than one, you can screw multiple Duke-Tigs together, one on top of the next. 5. This cat cavern fits inside both the Expedite and Kallax shelving compartments. This idea is very good, right? This cozy little spot for your cat friends is amazing. Now your cat has a very comfortable place to live. 6. This scratching post with the built-in hammock. All you need to make this beautiful little chill-out place for your cat is a Beckfam stepladder. 7. This easy-to-clean stealth cat toilet. The idea is to convert a stuba storage bench into a convenient cat bathroom. This IKEA hack requires a lot of time and effort. Good luck. 8. This 2-tiered cat hammock. This one is handy for both work and play, since it's got a work surface storage area up top, and then space for 2 fun cat hammocks down below. 9. This cat resort covered in built-in scratching posts. This gorgeous DIY cat condo requires 2 different tables and a few other accessories. 10. This cat lounge with an amazing view. You'll need a few tables, a couple of hand-pen shag carpets, and that's just about it. Here's how to give your cats a relaxing lounge to hang out in. 11. This wall-mounted safe haven. You can make a cozy little home for your cat and save some floor space at the same time with a Kallax shelf, a fitted bin, and some soft mats. 12. This cat climbing wall for scratching, scaling, and playing. Just throw an Osted rug up on the wall and that's it. Now your cat has a new place to live and play. 13. This all-in-one hidden cat toilet. Transforming a Vesta cabinet into a luxury bathroom, including a storage space for litter and cleaning supplies.